Good afternoon, staff. I'm making just another quick, short, and hopefully pretty simple to understand video regarding the evaluation process. In the past week, I have provided two different documents to you regarding the SLO slash OTES process. The first one that I provided to you was this one right here. It's the OTES timeline. It says if you are on a full cycle, here's the process, here's the steps. And if you're in a partial cycle, here's your steps and some due dates. Now, please note that December 21st deadline is a self-imposed deadline. And looking actually at my calendar for this year, I'm thinking about changing that until January, since the first semester is not over until January 20th. So that date could change. However, this April 28th is not self-imposed, and that's a state mandate. And so is May 10th. Just some information for you to have. Now, the other document that I shared with you was the OTES SLO spreadsheet, where it has your name, the category of teacher that you are, whether you have value added or not, how many SLOs you need to do, and if you are on a partial or a full cycle for OTES this coming year. So let's use Mrs. Betts as an example, just because she's the first one up here. She is in category C. There's no value added, so she needs to do at least one SLO as per our contract, and she is on a partial cycle this year. So looking over here, then she would come down to partial cycle, and here are those dates that she is required to fulfill with this whole process. So again, hopefully a pretty simple video and pretty simple process for you to understand. If you have any questions, as always, please give me a call. And also to let you know, I am using Screencastify for this short video. This software also has the ability to show me as part of the video, but I chose not to do that. But it's a simple Google add-on. It can be added to your Chrome browser, and you just simply click on the icon, which is right up here in your right-hand corner, to get it going. That's Screencastify. All right. As I said before, if you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.